Hello everyone, welcome to my second lecture on solid state chapter. In the previous lecture I have explained to everyone about the solid state introduction and the types of solids which were crystalline and amorphous. We also cited out the differences we studied the differences between the crystalline and amorphous solids in details. So today we are going to continue, we are going to move one step further. So we all know what are things we are going to study today. Let us have a discussion first. We all are going to study about the space crystal lattice. We are going to study about the unit cell. We are going to have a discussion on the 7 crystal systems. And next we are going to go to the types of unit cell, and then we are going to calculate the number of atoms per unit cell. And lastly, we are going to watch an animation video on the unit cells. So let's get started, all of you. So, first of all, the first topic is the space lattice or crystal lattice. You all know what is a crystalline solids. Crystalline solids are known for having regularly and orderly arrangement of particles inside the crystals, right? So, ये particles regularly arranged होता है crystalline solids में. So, particles का जो locations है उसको indicate किया जाता है points with the help of points. Okay, the location of the particles are indicated by the help of points, right? And when these points are joined in a regular fashion in a 3-dimensional space, the joining of the points in a regular fashion in a 3-dimensional space gives rise to a lattice, and that lattice is known as a space lattice or crystal lattice. So let us see the definition here. The definition says here, crystal lattice is a regular arrangement of the constituent particles of a crystalline solid in a 3-dimensional space. तो अगर हम particles का जो position है जो कि points से indicate किया जाता है उसको अगर हम join करेंगे तो join करके जो बनता है, अगर join करके हर direction, हर possible direction में हम उसको arrange कर देते हैं तो एक crystal बन जाता है जिसका नाम है crystal lattice. Okay, the regular arrangement of the points of the particles present in a crystalline solid gives rise to a complete lattice, and that lattice is known as crystal lattice. Now some general things you have to keep in mind regarding the crystal lattice. Each point in a crystal lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. There are certain points on the crystalline solid in the crystal lattice where the particles are actually kept. Those points are called lattice sites or lattice points. And these lattice points are joined by straight lines, okay? And that decides the geometry of the crystal, right? Now the next topic is the pictorial representation of a space lattice. A space lattice to be drawn on a board is quite difficult. Of course, it is impossible because drawing a 3-dimensional thing on a 2-dimensional plane board is very difficult. So I have brought you a picture that gives us the representation of a space lattice. Over here you can see that this complete thing is called a space lattice. Okay, you have some lattice points which are connected to the help of straight lines, and it gives us a complete lattice, and that complete lattice is known as space lattice or crystal lattice. But you see, a small portion is there. Okay, there are some certain small blocks are there in this space lattice. This is one particular block, this is one particular block, this is another one, this is another one. There are several infinite number of blocks are there. Okay, and these blocks makes up the crystal lattice. So this block is nothing